Welcome to Kindness and Light, and today is another day of mail unboxing. Use the mail, it never fails. It makes me want to wag my tail every time I have to yell mail. Look at what it is for Momo. It's mail. It's the mail. What is it in the mail? What's in the mail for the Mo? What is it? What is it? It's something from Mo Cheri. Aren't you going to look at it? Don't you want to see it? Yes. Let me undo it. Yeah, it's for Mo. Get back over here and don't step on the... I'm getting it. I'm trying to get it open. What is it? What is it, Momo? What is it? It is a kitty playground. Kitty cat playpen for the Mo, so we can go outside and she can sit outside with her mommy. Our mommy tries to get some vitamin D and sunshine this summer. Don't look very big, but I think big enough, bigger than the carrier. Yeah, here, look at it. Look at it. Hopefully it's bigger than the carrier. We will see. It's a lot bigger than the carrier.